You do the best you can, you know? It's our home. Since my health went down, I couldn't keep up with things, so my daughter had to come and stay and help me. It's me and my daughter and my grandchildren, including my granddaughter, who has cerebral palsy. I don't really go anywhere because I'm afraid of falling, and I can't see where I'm going. Rebuilding together and evolve. Put the ramp in, it's wide, so we can get up and down it a lot easier. And it has traction, which is really good. And it has rails, which is helpful. If I fall down, I'm down. I can't get back up unless I have something to grip onto. They're clearing my garage, which is really great because we couldn't get anything in there anymore. I didn't even really believe y'all were coming until I opened my door and I saw y'all all in the park, you know, jumping. And I was like, oh my God, it's for real. And all these people I don't know is coming to help, and I appreciate it. I really do. You know, I appreciate it.